Making an AI UGC ad is easy now. Anyone can do it. Getting a brand to pay you for one is the hard part. And not because the ad isn't good, because of everything you have to do before you can even show it to them. You have to find brands that actually need video. Find the right person to email. Go through their website, grab product images, write scripts tailored to their products, generate the ads, and finally reach out. Do that properly, and finding 4 good prospects can easily take a week. Scaling that to 100 brands? Almost impossible. So I automated the entire workflow using Claude and the Higgsfield MCP. Whether I want to target 4 brands or 400, it's almost the same amount of work. And the setup is surprisingly simple. Just a couple of connections and you're ready to go. Here's the whole loop in 30 seconds. Claude opens the meta ad library. That's the public database of every ad running on Facebook and Instagram, and you can see exactly what creative each brand is using right now. It looks for brands running only photo ads, no video anywhere. That gap is the entire business. Then it scores them, big enough to have a budget, small enough to answer an email. Next, it visits their website, finds a real contact email, and pulls product images directly from their store. Those images are sent to Higgsfield, which generate the UGC-style videos using AI creators, realistic lip sync, and the brand's actual product. Finally, it drafts a personalized outreach email based on the ads that brand is already running. So that's the entire process, from finding the right brands to generating the ads and preparing the outreach. Before we run it, there are just 2 things to set up. First, connect Higgsfield to Claude. Click the plus button next to the chat box. Go to Connectors, then Add Custom Connector. Now open Higgsfield's MCP page, copy the MCP link, paste it into Claude, name it Higgsfield, and click Add. That's it. Next, install the skill. This is what gives Claude the workflow. It already knows how to find good prospects, analyze their ads, generate better UGC concepts, and draft the outreach. So you don't have to explain everything from scratch every time. Click Plus, Skills, Manage Skills, Upload New Skill, and you're done. I've included both the skill file and the plain text version in the description. If you want to customize it, just open the text file and change whatever you need. One more recommendation. You can run this in a normal Claude chat, but I'd use Cowork instead in Claude desktop app. It handles long, multi-step workflows much better. You get a proper task list, and all the generated files are neatly saved in a folder instead of being scattered throughout the conversation. Also, make sure you have the Claude Chrome extension installed and that you're signed in with the same account. Claude needs it to open the meta ad library properly. Finally, check that you're using Fable 5. Opus 5 works too, but for a research-heavy workflow like this, I'd go with Fable. Setup's done. Now watch how little I actually have to do. I type /, select the skill, and write, run it. That's it. Everything it needs is already built into the skill. Of course, you can still guide it if you want. You can tell it to focus on beauty brands, or the US market, or smaller companies only, whatever fits your niche. Then it gets to work. It goes through brands one by one, checks whether they're relying on static ads, skips the ones already using video, and keeps moving until it finds good opportunities. And it comes back with 10 brands. Every row has what I need to actually do something with it. The brand, their niche, a direct link to their live ads, so I can check its work myself, a product photo pulled off their own store, an email address or a social handle, and a score out of 100. The score is just how good a fit they are, how heavily they're leaning on photo ads, and whether they're the right size to say yes. I took the top 4. And this is the only moment in the whole pipeline where it needs me for anything. From here, it runs on its own. First, 3 concepts per brand. And the rule in the skill is that they have to be genuinely different, not the same ad written 3 ways. There are 2 reasons I ask for 3, and both matter. The first is that the brand gets to test 3 angles instead of 1. You're not guessing which message lands. You're handing them options, and you look like you actually understand their customer. The second is simpler. This is AI generation. Not every render comes out clean. So 3 gives me room to throw one away and still have something worth sending. Each concept comes with a hook, a script, a setting, and a production brief. Then it hands all of that to Higgsfield, and you can see the split really clearly here. Claude isn't rendering anything, it's writing the instruction. Which creator, what they're holding, how they move, what they say. Higgsfield takes that and does the part Claude can't do. You can watch it land on the Higgsfield side too. Every job shows up in Marketing Studio. The product it imported, the creator it picked, the queue filling up. 12 videos into the queue. It handles the job limits and the waiting itself. I'm not sitting there managing it.
My body is not the same as it was 2 years ago, and most clothes remind me of that constantly. This just fits. I stopped getting dressed with a knot in my stomach, which sounds dramatic, but it is true. I am so done with candles that smell incredible in the jar and like absolutely nothing once you light them. This one actually fills my entire living room, and it costs less than the fancy one I gave up on. Postmortem shedding was brutal. Clumps in the shower drain every single day. My stylist told me to start treating my scalp like skin. This is the only thing that actually slowed it down.
I have exactly 4 minutes between the alarm and the school run. This takes 1 spoonful and cold milk. No machine, no grounds, no waiting. It tastes better than the cafe I stopped having time for.
I watched all 12 and picked the 2 strongest from each brand. 8 ads going out. The last step is outreach. After all, those ads aren't doing anything sitting in a folder. It also drafts the outreach message for you. You can tweak it however you like to match your own style before sending. One of the brands didn't have a public email, so it wrote a shorter Instagram DM instead. And it never sends anything automatically. It just prepares the drafts, you review them, make any changes you want, and hit send yourself. I think that's exactly how it should be. So I attached my 2 favorite ads to each draft and sent them out. 4 brands, 8 ads, real outreach, all from a single prompt. If there's one thing I hope you take away from this video, it's this. Making an AI ad isn't a business. With tools like Higgsfield, anyone can make one now. Finding the brand, understanding their problem, and putting finished work in their inbox before you ask for anything, that's where the real leverage is. And it doesn't get slower when you add more brands. Claude handles the research. Higgsfield creates the ads. The MCP is what connects the two into a single workflow. One last thing, don't miss this. Higgsfield is currently offering 24 hours of unlimited free generations for new users. So you can try this entire workflow and generate all of these videos without spending a single credit. The link is in the description. And if this helps you land your first client, come back and let me know. I'd genuinely love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.